under spinnaker. .8, 7.6, 7.7.
Flashed up to 8 seconds ago.
7.9.
Much coming over?
The camcorder?
No, spinnaker.
Yeah. No, not really. Anyway, here we are, sailing across North Atlantic. Actually, we're on our way from Gibraltar to the Canary Islands, Lanzarote, Canary Islands. And we've got a pretty decent beam reach under spinnaker. Light winds, only 8 to 10 knots. Actually about 8 knots true. But we're zipping along pretty good. Just got my feet all flat. I hope I don't get my camera. We're approaching, we're about 12 miles off the island. And we're going to go close in about 2 to 3 miles and then around the south end of the island. So we've got about another 40 miles to go, 50 miles to go or so. And unfortunately, the sea is dead calm and the wind is absolutely zero, so we are motoring. You can see got the radar on, you can see the island on the radar display, and unfortunately it's dark outside. And I don't know if we can.
That is Punta Gavidio and Puerto de Arizona. They're right next to each other.
This is sunrise.
Puerto de Maris, and this is the airport.
Yeah, we just saw a plane land at 7:19.
Oh, what?
At 7:19 in the morning on the east coast of Lanzarote Island, watching the sunrise. We just saw the plane land a few minutes ago. Another one after that.
Once you got you.
3. Actually, there's a couple of small rocks there, but
They must have their own water plant somewhere.
yeah. This looks like it'd be much better anchorages than over off
Good, yeah.
Maria Rubicon. The guy said the wind comes through this cut and it can get very, very surgy.
What did you say? Very what?
Surge, a lot of surge in the marina.
Aha.
Even though they don't get a swell in here.
Over there. Yep.
Full moon. Here we are sailing with about a 8 to 10 foot following sea. It's just the mainsail up. We're doing about 7 knots. And the wind's out of the east at 15. And we're heading west-southwest at about 7 knots with just the mainsail. Sea's a little calmer now than it was an hour ago. We had a good 10 to 12. Height is about, well, it's my chest height, so about 10 to 12 feet off the sea. So these are good 8 to 10 foot seas here. North, 40 degrees west. About halfway along our trip from the Canaries to St. Thomas. And we've got another sailboat crossing our path. He's got a big Jenny up and his mainsail singing wing on wing, downwind with it pulled out. And we're under mainsail alone. We're doing about 6.5, 7 knots. He's probably doing close to 8. Well, here's my ice cream with my Dream Whip topping, my chocolate mint cookies in the middle of the Atlantic. Little
8.5. It's very between 7.5 and 9.
All right. Well, we got about 10 knots of wind out of the southeast on a beam reach.
And if it wanted to stay like this for the next 5 days, that'd be great. Wonderful.
There we go. a good 10 to 14 foot sea today. A little calmer right now. Winds have been about 25 knots. It's about 20 to 25 right now. We're about 400 miles from Anegada, heading for the U.S. Virgin Islands. Well, anyway, here we are in Anegada, the British Virgin Islands. Sorry I didn't shoot any video last night, but we were coming through Tropical Storm Olivia, or whatever it was, and didn't really have a chance to shoot video in the middle of a tropical storm. Anyway, this is beautiful Anegada. The beautiful sand beaches.